I have the Hawanik Minimalist front pocket wallet. So it does come nice, wrapped up pretty nice. You can put an Airtag right here. You have a ton of spots actually for the size of this and how small it is. It's definitely a minimalist wallet, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, get ready, 5, 6, 7. So obviously this spot right here is for your ID. You can shove another card in here. You can maybe shove cash or business cards in these. And then you also have this pocket in the middle. Really nice wallet. AirTag enabled right here on the front. RFID blocking as well. You also have a spot there for card, spot there for card, spot there for card. I'll show you how the cards go in. Being that it's new, it's probably gonna be the toughest to get the cards in and out, but you can see they go in no problem. So this is definitely a front pocket wallet, but you can wear it in the back, no issue. This comes in a bunch of different colors. This is the Hawanik Minimalist wallet, black color. Tiny, but very capable. You have a spot here for your ID.